welcome to All About. Today we're going to swatch Y38. The natural family combination is just Y38, Y35, and Y32. Yeah, I had to look at it. In the bonus combination, we are going to be using some of the YRs. It's going to give it a very soft orange, kind of like a peach kind of end. I think you'll like it. My name is Elena with violetaink.com, and we sell Copic refills, sketch markers, and Prismacolor pencils. Thanks. We're going to start with Y38 from the fence. Well, I didn't build the fence, just from the edge. And then this is Y35, a little bit slower than what we use with Y38. And this is Y32. It seemed to me that my marker was not filled, that it needed to be refilled, but it wasn't it. I don't know. I guess I need to change the nib. This is BV31. That's what we're going to be underpainting with. That was Y38. On top of it is Y35 and Y32. It's going to give us a creamy yellow. Now we're going to underpaint the bonus combination, which is BV31, Y38, YR65, and then YR82 is going to give a peach color, but you can still see the intensity of the Y38 under it. Now for the Prismacolor pencil match, I found two. PC1002 yellow orange. Well, as you can see in the staining test, it moves it, but if you can see the ring around it, that means that it's going to move towards your coloring, and that's not going to look nice. This one I feel that is more on the warm color, warm side. And this is PC1003 Spanish orange. And it's very bright, and I think it has a hint of green to it. So I would go with yellow orange, for an exact match. If you were to use it for the end of it, for like Y32, I would use Spanish orange. So this is the natural family combination. Y38, Y35, and this one blends great. And then Y32. You might think, why does she color so badly? Well, I'm doing this upside down because I don't want to be moving the paper. When I color, I move the paper everywhere. Everybody has a preferred way of flicking, and I flick away from my body. The thing is, like right here, I have to be doing it on the side, and then from the top, and then from the other side. So that's why you see me moving. You see my arm moving, but that's what it is. If it was real life, that you just seen me in real life colored, you will see my paper move around a lot. This was the underpainted wing with BV31, Y38, Y35, and Y32. And now we're going to do the bonus combination, which is Y38, 34 does not exist, and then YR65 and YR82. It does blend well, but you just have to use YR82 a little bit more. I think if I had gone one more time here, I would get a better blend. This is the underpainting, BV31. Remember, when you underpaint, your darkest color has to cover the underpainting. This is the underpainting that I'm choosing for Y38, not for Y35. And and we're finishing this blend with YR82. This is all about Y38. The natural family combination is Y38, Y35, and Y32. Underpainting with BV31, and the bonus combination is Y38, YR65, and YR82. Thank you for watching. See you next week. Bye.